Okay, it's Easter Sunday. I came out here yesterday and I sanded this corner piece down, and one of the goals on doing this was I wanted to get rid of the plastic texture, like that bubble texture. We can't see it there, and it worked out perfect. That primer filled it lovely. One of the problems I had when I sprayed it, I don't know if they came up on the thing, is that all the little fibres that I when I dry sanded it kind of floated to the top. They floated to the top, and like they're sticking up like little pins there. But it was the same on this one. But as soon as I sand these, they sand right down flat and they blend in perfect. You won't even notice them when it's done. So these bumpers, that plastic parts are coming out absolutely perfect. So I'm going to do the extra step on these when I'm priming the cab, like the doors and the cab. I'm going to fill these in. Don't need that one there. There is I think there's one on here. There's like a stone chip there. That's all it's going to be there. And this is that. There's just where it was crashed, I think. And just on here, there's just a stone chip here, and there's one here. So I'm just going to go the extra bit. Just fill them bits in, because they'll be really noticeable once everything's flat. And I'm priming the truck anyway, so whatever waste is, I'm just going to spray over the bits that need it. And I think that bonnet is perfect. I'm just going to give that a 500 and an 800 just to get it flat, and that's ready for paint. So yeah, that's it. They came out way better than I thought. I just hope nothing cracks or falls off it. Yeah, so anyone doing that wants to get rid of the texture off the bumpers. I might do the mirrors as well now. I think that got 2 or 3 coats. You can see it in the video. The first coat was really thick, and the second coat that I mixed up was really thinned out. Yeah, came out very good. I'm going to leave it there. Next job I'm going to sand this, sand that, and just fill in the little stone chips on that. And once I've that done, I'll fill in this. I'm going to let this dry, and I'm going to move down to the cab. I want to get the bits I welded on all buttoned up, a small bit of welding to do, and I want to I think I'm just going to paint it white just to get rid of the blue. 2 different colours of blue or grey down there. Right, so I'll leave it there. I'm back here next morning. I've just taken the air box out. All I want to do is give that a quick coat of white, solid white. I'm going to do the bumper hinges as well. I want to get across here, and the water expansion tank. I need to cut down here. Just tap this in, this little hump, and put a bolt there just to screw the expansion tank onto, and it has to clip in here somehow. So and this I just need to weld a bit there, having that done properly. Put the hinge on, just give it a quick coat of white, then that's ready. I'm ready then to start on the doors and the cab. That won't take long. My plan then is, because I'm going to white and I want to I'm going to prime the whole truck. I think I probably will. I'll see how it goes when I'm sanding, but there's rust everywhere, so I think I'm probably better off priming it and just getting a kind of good seal on it, and all the same colour. Once I've that done, I'm going to redo the bits I done yesterday, the bits I sanded, just give them another coat, and I'm going to throw the truck up into that other shed for a week and just let it cure. Give everything a good week to go off, and I bought 2 sheets of steel. Because we're off here for another while, I want to build a barbecue, so it'll probably take me a week. So that'll give that enough time to prime, and I've got another 3 weeks I know before we're back working again, so probably be longer, so I'm not rushing anything. We just get that all primed and just let it go off. I need to do something with that floor, just paint it. Yeah, so just put this on time lapse here and get onto it. I was recording there for a while, but the camera had fallen and started pointing at the ground, so missed a lot of it. I'm ready to go. Just paint this here now quickly. I added that. I drilled a hole there, put a bolt through, and I just welded around here. I just added this tab on, just holds it. So probably doesn't look great, but it'll do the job. So my plan here now is just to scuff all this down quickly, and I'm going to add as many bolts as I can so I can get the head painted. I'm going to put on the bonnet hinge and get that painted white now as well, and then that's that done. Then I can probably go back up the bumpers, sand them, and then I'll start on this. I mightn't start on this today, but I'll see how I get. Might get a door or something done. Just have that sprayed in there. I forgot to record it. Only quickly done though. Only took a second. Actually, don't think you're going to see any of it. You might just see a bit there, but nothing really. Just nice to know it's the same colour. Right, it's Saturday evening here now. I'm just finishing up. I'm just going to do a small bit of filling work. I have the whole cab sanded. I went fairly rough with it. It was 240. I just went over it all with 240. Oh no, actually it's 180, sorry. Went over the whole lot with 180. Just to take the dirt and grime was fairly deep into the white, so just to bring it up white again. Came out fairly good though. Very happy with it. So like there's, I don't know if you can see, there's just tiny little bits like that dent. 1, 2 there, there's a small one there. Small little stone chip still on this. I threw this back on here just it's easier for me to work on. It's like that now. A couple of big ones there. And then just stuff like this. While I'm doing it, I'm going to do a big dent there. Kind of that. What I'm going to do is just get this on here now. And then tomorrow morning, Sunday, I'm going to try and get all this primed. So once I get this primed, I'm going to actually leave it for, I'd say, a week. I'm going to do a barbecue. But this was definitely what it's been off for so long now. I need a barbecue to go smoking and cooking food and stuff. So days that I'm not doing anything. So the longer I leave this, the primer and all this can go off a bit better. And then it won't take me long to, if I can get it on fairly wet, I won't have much sanding to do. Just give it a quick going over to get all the orange peel out of it, and then just start painting it. But I don't know if I'm going to put the bonnet on or not. I'm going to tape all this up the way it is, and if I want to do the bonnet, I'm going to throw the bonnet on, and I'm going to reprime the bumper separate because I don't want to be going anywhere near that. Yeah, so I'm going to leave that video there. All the videos and bits of videos in this video were from the whole week, so it was only like an hour here and an hour there. So this will be the only video this week. And then unless I get this primed tomorrow, I might get it uploaded as well. So yeah, we'll see how that goes. Hit the like button on the videos if you like them. I'm just finishing up here. I'm halfway through just doing bits of filler. I just thought I was watching Fab's video last night on when he was painting his car, and he said that he's kind of like me. He doesn't know what he's doing with paint. He's kind of learning as he goes and stuff. And the videos that would suit him would be of stuff that goes wrong. So what I'm going to do is everything I do tomorrow that's wrong, I'm going to try and record everything. And everything I do wrong, I'll try and get into the video. And anyone who sees anything that I've done wrong, comment below, and then the video after I'll put it in, and that might help someone else in the next video if they're watching this to see how not to do it and what to do and stuff. Yeah, just leave your comments on anything you see that's wrong or anything that you can see that I could improve on, and I'll put it in the next video, and you never know, it might help someone else. Alright, like and subscribe to the videos. Cheers.